Hello guys, today we are talk about molecular docking, a powerful tool used in drug discovery and development. Firstly, we discuss about molecular docking. Molecular docking is a process that predicts binding and affinity of small drug molecules to the target proteins. Firstly, go on the Wikipedia, search the drug by its name. We are taking metformin. Just scroll down and copy the smileys. Now, open the CamDraw and paste the smileys. Now, the chemical structure of the drug is shown on the screen. Now, save the file in mol format. Now, open the ChemSketch and import the mol file of the drug molecule. And observe the different 3D structure of drug skeleton. Now, open the Google and search OpenBabel chemical converter. After open the OpenBabel, now paste the mol file of drug in Dropbox. Then change the input file type mol format to PDB format and download it. Now open the RCSB PDB in web browser and search the desired strain of disease. And download the PDB file of disease strain. Make sure the drug molecule file and the disease strain file both are in PDB format. Now open the Autodock and import the PDB file of drug molecule. As you see the structure of the drug molecule on the screen. After that, import the PDB file of disease strain. If drug perfectly bind with disease strain, then drug is effective in that strain of disease. Thanks for watching our video on molecular docking. If you have any questions or topics you did like to discuss, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more video on computational biology and drug discovery.